We interrupt this Rebuild It episode to bring you this conversation between Mark.
Hey, I've been meaning to talk to you. We're not going to have a video this week. What? Why? Well, the Solstice is finished, the Camaro is done, the ZR1's at the frame shop. We're kind of out of projects. All we got left is this headlight front to work on from the Corvette. Well, it looks like you didn't plan ahead very well then, doesn't it? Think you should have another project on the way or something? Hey, don't talk down to me. You're part of this channel too. Shouldn't you take some responsibility? I'm entertainment. You're logistics. All I know is I can't make a full video about a ZR1 headlight repair. So, Mr. Entertainment, you call Andy and tell him you don't have enough content for this week unless you want to show off some of your tap dancing skills. Andy can't say anything. All he does is sit around playing on his computer all day anyway. Why don't you just buy some cheap car from Copart? There's no such thing as a cheap Copart car anymore. Have you seen their fees lately? Don't get me started on that. I'm going to talk about it more on the next ZR1 video anyway. So what you're saying is I have the day off. Take off the rest of the week. Go think up some new idea for the head over there, except for using it as a hood prop. Fine. Summon me when you have something for me to do.
We'll see you again soon in the next episode of Rebuild It.